Welcome back, viewers. Sage again, and you are watching 𝐾𝐿𝐼𝐴 TV live from Sydney. This is the Stocks in Action show, and in today's show, we'll be looking at a few recent updates from the ASX listed companies. Companies like Australian engineering, construction and remediation contractor Duratec, logistics solutions provider 𝐊𝐴, and mining firm Evolution Mining have provided the details on their latest developments and many more. The session will also cover Mobilicom, which is a cybersecurity and smart solutions provider for drones, robotics and autonomous platforms, and we will also explore a latest news from a wagering products company, PointsBet. And lastly, I will also update you on the recent developments of the ASX 200. Sounds interesting, right? So stay tuned till the end. For now, let's look at the stocks that are under the spotlight today, and starting with the first big news. Shares of the Australian engineering, construction and remediation contractor Duratec were trading up on Friday, and the company shared that Duratec 𝐊𝐴𝐸𝐷 joint venture has been awarded a $53 million Australian dollar design and construction wharf project. The announcement informed that initial works have started and the project is due for completion in September 2023. The Duratec 𝐊𝐴𝐸𝐷 joint venture, which is also called DEJV, was formed in 2019 with civil construction business Duratec Group. Separately, in recent months, Duratec has been awarded $32 million Australian dollars in other defence works projects, boosting the current defence-focused order book to $110 million Australian dollars, and the company's total order book to $230 million Australian dollars. It should be highlighted that defence is a key strategic focus for Duratec. The company currently has a presence on 37 of the 75 defence bases in Australia, delivering whole-of-life projects, upgrading important base assets for the Defence Estate and Infrastructure Group, and the infrastructure and service delivery arm of the Australian Department of Defence. Duratec currently has $200 million Australian dollars in defence tenders submitted and awaiting decisions, and $1 billion Australian dollars in tangible opportunities. Next in our coverage today is from 𝐊𝐴, which is an integrated logistics solutions provider. Shares of 𝐊𝐴 were trading flat on Friday post the announcement that its subsidiary 𝐊𝐴 Logistics, which is based in Singapore, has completed its strategic acquisition of TAFE Logistics. As part of the completion, 400,000 fully paid ordinary shares in 𝐊𝐴 have been issued. It represents approximately 0.3% of 𝐊𝐴's current total issued capital and will be voluntarily escrowed for 2 years from the date of issue. 𝐊𝐴's newly established presence in Singapore has come after previous operational expansions across Australia, New Zealand and the Asia Pacific, including branches in Guangzhou and Shanghai, and a recent expansion of the US operations through a new branch in Los Angeles, California. International Air Transport Association, that is the IATA, is a trade association of the world's airlines, and TAF or TAF is a Singapore-based IATA licensed air freight and logistics company. The company deals in a range of services like customs, brokerage and clearance, local transportation, as well as cross-border trucking between Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand, along with international freight forwarding in the air and sea to Indonesia and other Southeast Asian countries. And now it's time for a short break, but please stay tuned. I'll be back with more trending updates for the Australian market. InvestNest webinar, 2 must-know ASX-listed emerging stories with Bruce Smallish, Managing Director, 𝐕𝐝𝐸x and Inderjeet Indy Singh, Executive Chairman, Fiducian Group. Unprecedented times and volatile markets have completely changed the investment preferences amidst the market gyrations owing to the pandemic. Companies primed to ride trends are extending leads. Do you wish to hear stories of emerging companies that are making a mark on the ASX? Then you are in the right place, as we at 𝐾𝐿𝐼 Media get you the emerging stories of companies that are riding the wave. To know more about such promising businesses, grab your free seat for the Invest Nest webinar by 𝐊𝐿𝐼 Media, 26th August 2021 at 12:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Hear about the success story of an Australian-based silica sand explorer, 𝐕𝐝𝐝 Silica Limited. 𝐕𝐝𝐝 Silica has been on the investors' radar for its attractive operational footing, buoyant market opportunity and stock returns. To discuss the key attributes of our client, 𝐕𝐝𝐝 Silica, and its future plans, we will have the Managing Director of 𝐕𝐝𝐝 Silica, Mr. Bruce Morlish. And not just this, unravel the journey of a specialist financial services provider, 𝐓𝐡𝐞 Group Limited. Our client, the 𝐓𝐡𝐞 Group, operates across Australia and offers its services to financial advisors as well as retail and wholesale clients. The company provides premium wealth services and solutions to its clients, delivering double-digit returns to its shareholders over the last 5 years. To discuss the company's future plans, we will have the Executive Chairman of the 𝐓𝐡𝐞 Group, Mr. Indy Singh. Do not miss the exclusive Invest Nest webinar by 𝐊𝐼 Media to hear from the business honchos themselves. Block your seats now for the exclusive webinar, August 26, 12:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Stay apprised and invest wise with 𝐊𝐼 Media. And welcome back. This is Sage, your host, live from 𝐊𝐼 Studios, and you're watching the Stocks in Action show. And moving on now to the next big news that covers Evolution Mining, which is an Australian mining company. Evolution Mining shares were trading up as the company shared an announcement that the company has successfully priced its first debt private placement in the US on the 12th of August 2021. The debt has been priced at $550 million. However, the transaction is subjected to standard closing conditions and proceeds are to be drawn in November 2021. Evolution Mining got an investment grade rating and witnessed significant levels of oversubscriptions and placements, and the placement consists of $200 million debt maturing in November 2028. It has a fixed rate coupon of 2.83%. It also has a $350 million debt maturing in November 2031, having fixed rate coupon of 3.17%. Evolution Mining has entered into its cross-currency swaps to hedge its exposure. Placement proceeds will be used to repay existing term loan facilities, and the placement will extend its debt maturity profile from an average 2.7 to 7.1 years. It will be more closely aligned debt maturity with the group's average mine life. And after the settlement in early November, Evolution Mining will not have any material funding maturities due until the financial year 2026. And more with the news that matters. Mobilicom, which is a cybersecurity and smart solutions provider for drones, robotics and autonomous platforms, shared today that they were trading flat on Friday post the company announced that it has struck a deal with designer and manufacturer of radio frequency microwave amplifiers and integrated radio systems, Triad Radio Frequency Systems. And the company stated that the collaboration will originally offer a unified product line that will feature Mobilicom's multi-function radios paired with Triad's high-power radio solutions, creating a new product line for sale and distribution. The product line will include Mobilicom's secure mobile mesh technology and its ICE cybersecurity suite with Triad's smart radio frequency amplifiers. And this will give the most cost-effective and efficient, fully integrated amplified MIMO radios, that is multi-input and multi-output radios. Targeted at suppliers and manufacturers in the rapidly expanding unmanned autonomous systems market, the product line has clear applications within military and industrial UXV drone and robotic segments and will provide end users with enhanced levels of security and performance, the company said. Triad designs, manufactures and integrates multi-channel radio frequency amplifiers designed specifically for multi-input and multi-output radios, and Triad is based in the New Jersey region of New York with distribution in the United States. And now it's time for a short break, but please stay tuned. I'll be back with more trending updates for the Australian market.
Hi there, James Preston for 𝐊𝐿𝐴 TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. 𝐊𝐴𝐼𝐺's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to 𝐊𝐴 TV.
Welcome back. Sage, your host, live from 𝐊𝐴 Studios, and you're watching the Stocks in Action show. The last news to be discussed in this session covers PointsBet. And shares of the wagering products company were up after the company received regulatory approval from the Lotteries Commission West Virginia to launch online sports betting operations there. And West Virginia is the 7th operational state for PBH's premium sports betting product. The current launching in West Virginia represents progress for PointsBet and presents tremendous opportunities. The company gained access to the Mountain State via an agreement with Penn National Gaming in July 2019, and it also plans to launch its proprietary online casino product there by the end of 2021, after necessary licensure. Furthermore, PointsBet has chosen Angus Mulvihill as the Vice President of the Global Sportsbook Trading. Mulvihill is appointed to oversee its global team of sports analysts, devising and implementing its trading risk management strategy and trading product development. He has nearly 15 years of international sports betting experience from Betfair International Sports, part of the Flutter Group. And before wrapping up, let's quickly glimpse through the developments across the equity and commodity markets for today. Beginning with the ASX 200's performance, the S&P ASX 200 is up by 0.47%. The Star Entertainment Group is up as well, 5.07%, while Premier Investments is up 4.16%. And 9 of 11 sectors are higher, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Healthcare is the best performing sector. Materials is the worst performing sector this morning. And thank you for joining us on that report. That is all for now, but please stay tuned with 𝐊𝐴 TV for more of the live market updates. We'll be back with more news on the markets, the economy and diverse themes and sectors. Sage signing off.